Welcome, here I've got OPPO RENO6 5G and let me show you how to change speed of the slow motion recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply using the big red button at the center. To change speed of our slow motion, we have to move up to the second button from the left and just one tap here, so we can get access to the slider. We have spectrum between 120 fps, 240, 480 and 960, so you can pick whatever you need. These two from the right are ultra slow motion, and from the left these two are standard slow motion. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.